Have you ever been poked by a pencil and observed that it left a black mark on your skin? Whether you were stabbed on purpose or by accident, if you are of a certain age, you probably have your own permanent marks to remember the occasion. Hand, feet, arm, face, or anywhere, pencil stabbings happen everywhere. Nowadays, we don't have to worry about such little things like lead poisoning. Pencils aren't made using lead anymore, they are made with graphite, so it's pretty harmless. But it'll stick around you for years, which you may notice if you got stabbed by a pencil in the first grade and still have the little black mark in your skin. This little black mark is a sign of a losing battle with pencil. We probably all have somewhere. But why do they hang around for so long? Well, basically, when you stab yourself with a graphite pencil, you pretty much got your first tattoo. The graphite leaves particles in the dermis layer of the skin, which is where tattoo ink is deposited when you get a tattoo. The dermis layer is the layer just below the outer epidermis layer. Like we already said, it's not harmful since pencils are made with graphite and not lead, and there's a very good chance the pencil didn't reach the subcutaneous tissue. Your only risk comes from infection in the stab wound itself. If it's a dirty pencil, so obviously there's a chance that bacteria could be introduced in the dermal layer and cause a bacterial infection. Pencil stabbings would may fade slightly over time, but if they were deep enough to go into the dermal layer, they likely won't go away on their own. If you have one in an obvious place, you may have to cut it or laser it off if you're so inclined on that. Or you can wear it like a badge of pride and regale your own kids with stories of your very first stab with a pencil. People on Twitter share their own pencil stabbing scars, and it's so hilarious how relatable they all are. One of them wrote that she still have a pencil mark where she got it stabbed from the 5th grade. And the other one tweeted that he got frustrated while practicing single-digit multiply in the 3rd grade and just poked his pencil in his head, which left a permanent mark even after 11 years. So if you want to get your very first stab, just stab your pencil on any of your body parts and just show it off your pride.